So I'm going to show you what comes standard with your Rizzoli stove. I was actually impressed. Rizzoli sends you quite a bit of materials. So they give you a nice steel wool pad. This is perfect for keeping your stove clean. They also give you a nice brown Brillo pad as well. So you can see that there's like a little bit of sticky stuff on the stove. Basically, you can use your Brillo pad and you want to wipe off this and any excess oil located on the top of the stove before you fire it up. So they do give you a nice Rizzoli oven mitt. I'm impressed with the quality of it. It's thicker than most other companies that I've seen. This is your handy dandy toolbox. So if you would like, you can actually use it and hang it right inside your drawer there. And then you can keep your tools and never lose track of them. Handy. Thanks, Rizzoli. Here, they give you this. This can go inside here. This is basically, it stores extra. It's like a pan rack. Some people will keep that located down there in their drawer. All right, so here they give you plate cleaner for the top of your stove. A lot of people will ask me, what do you use? Well, Rizzoli sends you a nice product that you can use to keep your stovetop clean. Furthermore, they give you some extra screws that come along with it. And this is oil for the top of your stove. So for example, if you were going to be leaving for the summer, then you would want to oil the top of your stove so you don't get any type of rust rings on there. I hope that you guys enjoy this video. If you do, please share it with your friends. The more shares, the more likes we get, the more videos we will produce. So don't forget to give us a thumbs up on this video and click subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.